Hello and welcome to an India First special broadcast that comes to you from the Sri Ram Nagari in Ayodhya. I'm Gaurav Sawant. The stage is set for Prime Minister Narendra Modi to unfurl the saffron flag at the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Mandir. And this is being seen as a civilizational moment here in Ayodhya. It's being hailed as the culmination of a struggle that lasted more than 500 years, and finally the Pran Pratishtha was of Ram Lala at the temple, but now it's the Sri Ram Darbar. Maryada Purushottam Sri Ram, Mata Sita, Lakshman, Bharat, Shatrughna, Lord Hanuman. And it's not just the royal family or the family of the deity, it's also the Sapt Mandir. And over the course of the next half hour, we get you all details about the saffron flag, the symbolism associated with it, and the quest for Ram Rajya.
सदियों की प्रतीक्षा के बाद, सदियों का अभूतपूर्व धैर्य, त्याग और तपस्या के बाद हमारे प्रभु राम आ गए।
Civilization movement for Bharat. After 500 years, Ram Mandir stands tall. Dharam Dhwaj to crown devotion. Prime Minister Modi to unfurl flag of faith.
हम अब माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी और श्रद्धेय सत्संगता जी के स्वागत के लिए और साथ साथ मुख्य रूप से जितने भी साधु संत है, छोटे मोटे, कोई भी टलेगा नहीं।
Dalits, transgenders, aghoris invited. Chhappan Bhog for Lord Ram and devotees. Mandir complete. Ayodhya celebrates.
There is tremendous symbolism in what Prime Minister Narendra Modi will do. Once you hoist the saffron flag atop the Divya Bhavya Navya Ram temple at Ayodhya, the signal is Lord Ram is finally home. The saffron flag on the Shikhar. The Shikhar itself is about 161 feet. The flagpole on top is another 30 feet. So from a far distance, from a long distance, you can see the saffron flag with the symbolism of Om, the sun, which is Raghukul, Suryavanshi, and of course, the Kovidar tree that symbolizes the Raghukul. From a long distance, you can see that Lord Ram is home. That's point one. Point two, there's also the Sapt Mandir that Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit. And the Sapt Mandir actually includes temples of Maharshi Vishwamitra, Maharshi Valmiki, Maharshi Vashisht, Maharshi Agastya, Ma Ahilya, Shabri Devi, and also Jatayu, and that small squirrel, Gilehri. And these are all symbols associated with Maryada Purushottam Sri Ram. And then, of course, he will address about 7,000 plus people of what are here being described as Vanchit Samaj, or the lesser privileged ones. So they will include the SC, ST, OBC, EBC, and many others. He will address them. The Nai, the Mochi, the Dalits, the Mahadalits. What's the message? Maryada Purushottam Sri Ram for 13 years got them all together because that was the way he went and defeated Ravan. Once again, the effort is to unite the larger Hindu society.
और मंदिर वहीं बनाएंगे, उसको कौन रोकेगा।
हमारे रामलला अब टेंट में नहीं रहेंगे।
Decades of wait and anticipation. Immense devotion for years. Legal hurdles and court battles. And then the mega construction. What began as a centuries-old dream has now risen as a monumental piece of architecture, blending devotion with modern craftsmanship.
सदियों का अभूतपूर्व धैर्य, अनगिनत बलिदान, त्याग और तपस्या के बाद हमारे प्रभु राम आ गए।
Now the construction of Ram Mandir in Temple Town, Ayodhya is finally complete. This historic event will be marked by grand celebrations. Prime Minister will be in Ayodhya on Tuesday for the Dhwajarohan at the Shikhar of Ram Mandir.
While discussing the flag ceremony, we were finding some muhurta, and in November we thought the best muhurta is 25th November. But after that, we came to know that Panchami is called Vivaha Panchami in Ayodhya, and that is the anniversary day of marriage of Bhagavan Shri Ram and Bhagavati Sita.
The raising of the saffron flag or the Dharm Dhwaj will symbolize the completion of the Ram temple's construction.
खूब तैयारी है, होगा भंडारा होगा। यहाँ तो अन्य क्षेत्र हमारा चलता है, बराबर चल रहा है, खूब चलेगा। हमारे यहाँ तो कोरोना काल में भी नहीं बंद हुआ, कोरोना काल में भी खूब चला, मंदिर का गेट नहीं बंद हुआ।
लेकिन जितनी बड़ी संख्या में श्रद्धालु और भक्तजन आ सकते थे वो नहीं आ पाए।
भंडारे में जरूर आएंगे, खूब आएंगे,
भंडारे में खूब आएंगे,
कोई नहीं रोक पाएगा।
Thousands of devotees are in Ayodhya to witness the temple in its final form.
पुख्ता यहाँ पर सिक्योरिटी है और बहुत अच्छा लगा। बहुत सारी सुविधाएं हैं यहाँ पे। बहुत
ध्वजारोहण हो रहा है जिसकी तरह से आधिकारिक ऐलान है कि राम मंदिर निर्माण पूर्ण हुआ है।
हाँ बिल्कुल ऐलान है ये। बहुत मतलब ये एक हिंदुत्व के लिए बहुत अच्छा है और
बहुत शान और गर्व की बात है कि मोदी जी के आने से हमारा ध्वजारोहण हो रहा है और बहुत बढ़िया।
The event will be attended by thousands of guests, including representatives from the Dalit, transgender and Aghori communities to convey a message of social equality.
Often people say that the Hindus are divided amongst various caste and creed, but the effort is to unite all Hindus, irrespective of what your caste may be, what your creed may be. You know, Dalit, Vanchit, the Kinnar Samaj, they will all be here. You know, the EBCs, the OBCs, various classifications. The Prime Minister will interact with all of them, and they will all be a part of the grand ceremony tomorrow.
Completion of the Ram temple complex in Ayodhya is more a testament to perseverance and symbol of unity.
The Divya Bhavya Navya Ram temple in Ayodhya, and right behind me there you see the magnificent Dharm Dhwaj. Take a look at the Dharm Dhwaj that will be unfurled by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the Sri Ram temple in Ayodhya. This signifies the Ram Rajya or the Sri Ram temple at Ayodhya.
With Gaurav Sawant and Samarth Srivastav in Ayodhya, Bureau Report, India Today.